Good afternoon. So my name is Ankush. I am the co-founder and CEO of Data2Biz, and I am here to ask 2.5 crores for an equity of 6%. So what problem we are solving? As we all know, we are living in the age of data explosion. Today, companies are generating a lot of data, be it audio data, be it video data, be it text data. And technologies like 4G, 5G and cloud computing have enabled to support such kind of infrastructure. Quotes like data is the new oil has already asserted the importance of data and the applications of data science, that how much huge impact they can have on the current and the future businesses. So the problem with such a data explosion environment is that data is expanding, but the kind of solutions or the kind of requirements the people are having, they are not being catered in a very rapid manner. So there we come. So basically we are a custom data intelligence solution provider. We help our business partners to adopt AI and BI solutions at the core of their business to help them become data driven and improve their decision making accordingly. Currently, we are also working on an AI-powered product stack that is optimized to run on cost-effective hardware devices, or you can say IoT devices. So brief about our journey. We started this company around 2 years back with 2 people, me and Parinshil, and now we are a 12-member team who have served more than 15 clients over the past 2 years across various geographies like US, UK, Saudi, India and Singapore, and in various domains like transportation, e-commerce, logistics and healthcare. So what are our revenue models? So currently we are providing customized solutions in AI and BI, but we are investing the profits into our product suite, so that we feel will be our, you can say, the largest revenue model in near future. Next slide please. So how we are different? So from the past 2 years dealing with the clients and having a depth of the technology, we understand like AI adoption has 2 primary factors that affect its adoption. So first of all, the AI solution should be highly customized according to the requirement of the client and the data needs of the client. And secondly, you can say the cost should be the minimum. So Data2Biz is trying to provide a mixture of both the worlds, and with our AI product suite, like we are trying to bring that cost further down. So how are financials till now? So we have been clocking the revenues 14x and 10x for the last 2 years, and we are expecting a cumulative growth of 6x in the next 3 years and cumulative growth of 4x in the next 5 years. Next slide please. So where will be disbursing our ask? So we will be first of all improvising our existing product stack. 42% will be spending in that. Along with it, we will also trying new products. Apart from that, we are also looking to invest and open our first international business development office in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. And lastly, 16% will be spending in strengthening our existing business development department in India only. So why you guys should invest in us? So as you know, like we are operating in a very hot market that is having a CAGR of 25 to 45% in next 7 years. As a team, I feel we have a right mixture of experience and enthusiasm. Our numbers validate our hypothesis. And lastly, we expect your money to be 2 to 3x in next 2 to 3 years. Thank you.
Why Saudi Arabia? Saudi Arabia mein kya hoga?
Yeah, because we have been dealing with various clients over there, and we felt like Saudi is a country that is like they're accepting the technology, and moreover recently they have launched, like by 2021 they will be eliminating the paper. So they are moving in that direction where they will be adopting the technology, and AI is the forefront of that.
यहाँ नहीं हो रहा है? It's not happening here?
In India?
Yeah, it's a question. I don't know.
Yeah, well, not that much rapidly growing.
So you should go base there only.
Like we are thinking in that direction only. Yeah.
Investor interest, Avelo?
So just help me understand, you're like AI, BI outsource company, just like you outsource to the firm or accounting, I need AI done,
yeah.
You get it done.
Yeah, so that is a primary business model, but eventually we will be earning the profits out of that and building our product suite that we are already doing.
How will you give me exit?
So we are thinking like anyone who invests in us, like he has to stick with us for 3 years, and after that either we'll return your money or we'll go for next round of funding.
But you're a service business. I don't want your money returned. I want it multiplied. So how would you do that?
So as I mentioned, we will be taking out the profits of our existing services business and investing in the product.
Products that are doing very well.
So right now they are into the POC phase. Like it's not we have like marketed them. It's in the POC phase. We are still developing them, but we have done a couple of POCs with the clients.
Okay, any interest?
What is the revenue so far? I mean,
So till now for this year, we set the target of 1.5 CR. Out of that, we have achieved 80 lakhs Indian rupees.
and what is the profit on that?
So profit margin you can say around 30%.
Do you take a salary?
Very minimum,
No, what is very minimum?
30,000 per month.
It's a lot for me.
I think I'm not talking about investment here, but like you're looking at Saudi, would you also look at Qatar?
Yes, like
I can get you
MENA
in-
region. Like we are targeting MENA region, but we'll start from Saudi by having a base over there.
Would you like to get incubated in Qatar?
If some opportunity comes in, we'll definitely
I
evaluate
can get
that.
you connected and get you there immediately.
Okay. So yeah,
You
we
won't
will
let me-
evaluate that as well. That's not an issue because MENA region is something that is like expanded.
Just an offer if you want to accept.
Sorry.
Just an offer if you want to accept.
So an offer to open up a region.
A region, yes.
Without an investment.
Yes, without an investment.
Okay,
So
you
how
have
will
an
you
offer to
support
expand your
this?
business. Doesn't have an investment offer, but he has an offer to help you with your business growth.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, that's what I see around the table. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Continue on your path. Good job.